Hello and welcome to the UDISE Plus portal. In this tutorial, we will learn how to successfully import a teacher without using the national code. First, log into the portal using your user ID and password. After logging in, select the option Teaching, Non-Teaching, VTP, NSQF Teacher, TCF to fill the data and click on the Go button. From the left side menu, please click on the View Inactive Dropbox Staffs option. Here, you can search for staff using multiple options. Option 1 means search by UDISE code. Option 2, search by national code. Option 3, search by school. In option 3, user will select the state from the drop-down menu. Then, according to the selection of state, user will select the district from the drop-down menu. Then, user will select the block as per the selection of district. Then, user will choose the school from the drop-down menu. Then, user will click on the Go button. For the demonstration purpose, we will use option 1 means search by UDISE code. First of all, user will enter the UDISE code, then click on the Go button. Please note that only a staff member with the status Dropbox active can be imported. Staff marked as Dropbox inactive are not eligible for import. According to the selection, user will click on the Import Staff button. In next step, select the date of joining with the help of calendar. Then select the date of relieving. After that, entering the remarks, which is mandatory. If required, activate or enable the option Want to change nature of appointment. Then select the option according to your requirement. And next, activate the option Want to change staff type and select the option according to your need from the drop-down menu. If both options are not required or not in use, they should remain disabled or deactivated. Once all the information has been correctly filled in, click on the Import Staff button. A confirmation dialog box will appear. Click on the Import Staff button. The staff record will be successfully imported, as you will see the success message display on the screen for the confirmation. This is how you can successfully import a teacher without a national code in the UDISE Plus portal. If you have any questions or face any issues during the process, please contact your technical support team or MIS officer for more such informative videos. Stay connected. Thank you.